Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore snapshot-based rollback on AWS EC2 step by step. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard from the Services menu. In the left-hand column, locate and click on Snapshots. Find the snapshot you wish to restore. Select the snapshot to open its details. Click on the Actions drop-down button. From the options, choose Create Volume. In the volume creation, ensure the volume type matches your requirements. Click on Create Volume to proceed. Once the volume is created, navigate back to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Instances in the left-hand column. Select the instance you want to associate with the newly created volume. In the Details pane, choose the Storage tab. Click on Actions and select Attach Volume. From the Volume drop-down, select the volume you just created. Specify the device name according to your OS requirements. Click on Attach to confirm. Now, connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Once logged in, check the available disk devices using the command lsblk. You should see the newly attached volume. Next, create a mount point for the volume, for example, /mn to /restore. Use the command sudo mdir/mn to /restore to create it. Format the volume if it's not already formatted using the command sudo mkfst extension /dev/xvdf with xvdf as the device name. Now, mount the volume to the created mount point using sudo mount/dev/xvdf/mn to /restore. Confirm the mount. Finally, verify that the data is intact and ready for use. Once verified, you can proceed to manage the data as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.